Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to join VC in Discord. First of all, open up the Discord. After opening Discord, click on Menu from the top left corner. Then from the direct message, click to open the Midjourney server. Scroll down in the Midjourney dashboard and tap on Stage 1 from the voice channel. Click to get started with the voice channel. Then get back to the dashboard and tap to open another server. After opening another server, click on General from Voice Channels. Then tap on Join Voice and start talking to your friend. You can invite people to join you on call. Put the call on phone. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.